Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ng close-up. Can you guess who's rocking this fresh smells? It's all about keeping it this National Smile Month. With intense fresh vibes and cool fresh feels. Choose fresh, choose close-up. Hashtag close-up-ph. Ayan na nga, may Don Bell at ang Barda. Ayan na, napaka-cute ng ating Barda, syempre. At next naman ay post ng Team Barbie Fortesa. At thank you so much, Macdo PH Barbie Fortesa. Thank you, Macdo PH Barbie Fortesa. Ayan na, binigyan ni Barbie Fortesa at Macdo PH ng 1,000 pesos worth of GCs ang Barbie Natics. Grabe, ang swerte nila. At post nga yan kagabi, so malamang ay after to nung showtime guesting ni Barbie tsaka ni David kahapon. At post strategy stories ni Kailin Alcantara, Beauty Empire. So mukhang may taping sila kagabi. Proud of the after a long but productive taping day for Beauty Empire. Grateful, tired, and excited for what's ahead. A shimmy day keeps the sad away. Post nga ni Miss Rupa Gutierrez. Next naman ay post ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Mukhang nasa bookstore si Barbie. At ito naman ay Posh Nails. At ito, ayan ang endorsement shoot ni Barbie kasama si Miss Tony Aviles, Fatima, Jan Navarro, si Miss Diana at Sparkle. At ito Instagram story ni Janra. Welcome to the Beauty Empire era. Ayan ang napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Chaebol Heiress outfit niya. Ayan, napaka-sexy. At ayan, si Janra tsaka si Barbie. At mukhang naka-Jisoo life din sila. The pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. She's got the brains, beauty, and the confidence to own it all. Ayun nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. At Barbie Fortesa is Noreen in Beauty Empire, brought to you by GMA View, Chris Zion, streaming soon on View. Let's watch this. Ayun nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa na super ganda sa personal. Grabe. I miss seeing her. She's a ray of sunshine. Grabe. So, yan na nga. Miss Barbie Fortesa. At parang lumalaki yung bumper. Grabe. At yan na nga.
See you on View.
Grabe. I'm super duper excited. At sa July naman daw yung P77, sabi ni Barbie Fortesa. At next ay post ng Grisayan Studios, Chemistry, check na check. Game na sina Barbie Fortesa at Choi Bumin na lagyan ng spark at kiligang primetime. Kapit na para sa pinakamagandang laban, Beauty Empire. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga, so mukhang, ano ba to, laundry room? Grabe, in fairness, ang ganda ng laundry room na yan, ha? Next is David Licauca inviting everyone to meet him at SM Clark Kuya Korea. Let's watch this.
Hey guys, just wanna let you guys know that I'll be in SM Clark Kuya Korea this coming Sunday at 12 noon, so I'll see you there.
Ayun na nga, napaka-cute na si David. At next naman ay post ni Chris Salumbids. At the moment, David Licauco ex Global Sleep Care Center Incorporated celebrity endorses the best sleep clinic in the Philippines. Global Sleep Care Center is a multi-awarded sleep clinic equipped with the state-of-the-art equipment for diagnosing and treating obstructive sleep apnea. Full video episode of this CPAP journey with Global Sleep Care Center will be posted soon. Ayan na nga, so same t-shirt na suot ni David sa pag-invite niya sa Kuya Korea. At yan na, napaka-cute na si David. At next naman ay si Miss Barbie Fortesa, mga best. May glow up si Barbie Fortesa na hindi mo dapat skip. Hindi lang basta ganda, kundi ganda with a game plan. At may interview nga, let's watch this.
Makeup, 2 hours, hair and makeup. Well, very important to start with skin prep kasi pag maganda, syempre yung base, diba? Mas maganda yung makeup mas maganda yung kalalabasan ng makeup. So yun, skin prep and then base, ganyan. Tapos yung mga definitions, yung mga konting kulay, ganyan. Tapos false eyelashes, very important. Nakakagising, nakakabuhay ng mata, ganyan. Ayan, blush. Mahilig ako sa blush. And gusto ko nagma-match yung kulay ng blush sa lips. Para
Grabe, ang tagal no, na 2 hours nagme-makeup. Pero maganda naman si Barbie kahit walang makeup, di ba? Grabe.
sa akin, ang kagandahan ay nanggagaling sa loob. So, kung mabuti kang tao, kung maganda yung intention mo, maganda rin yung magiging aura mo towards other people. Do not forget that you are already beautiful and that you just have to be confident and you just have to love yourself and love the people around you.
Kaya nga super love ko si Barbie dahil napakabusilak ng kanyang kalooban. Anyway, next nga, ano nga kaya ang role ni Sam Concepcion sa Beauty Empire? So, pag-aagawan kaya nila si Barbie, sila ni Choi Bumin. Paano pa si David? Di ba mag-guess pa siya? Makikiagaw din, ganon. At next ay post ni Prel John Tupas Monton with David Licaco. After daw siya ng Showtime, guys. Let's watch this.
Hello sa'yo.
Grabe yung tono ng pag-hello sa'yo ni David.
Hello. Oh.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat.
Dustin.
Mahalo mo sa...
Bye.
Hello. Oh.
Looking forward talaga siya lumabas na agad si Dustin sa PBB. Next nga is more pictures of Barbie Fortesa at Sugar High na business ni Micholiba. Ayun na nga, napaka-cute na si Barbie. At next naman is post ni Belly X BTS. Hello. Sobrang perfect lang. Mas klaro to. Wedding for Barda Yuda. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga yung holding hands ni Barbie at David na hindi nagbitawan mula sa pagpasok hanggang sa paglabas ay holding hands nga. Medyo lumayo lang si Barbie actually nung pinuntahan niya yung mga fans niya. Pero yun lang, yan kinuha talaga ni David yung kamay. And lastly, post ng Pep. Pep goes to Close Up Moving Closer music video launch or music video watch party. At yan na nga si Philip. So maraming nga fans ni Philip, guys, ang nagsiship kay Barbie at saka kay Philip. Pero syempre barda tayo, no? Salit tayo doon. At medyo nga raw nagselos si Dave. Dapat lang siya magselos, no? Dapat bilisan niya. Kakagigil. Wala pa rin tayo nababalitaan kung magjowa na o nanliligaw na ba siya, no? Nakakainis. Sana naman, no? Totoo na. Grabe. Para masaya naman tayo. Diyos ko. Tagal na, 2 years na, no? Ayan na nga yung games. At ayan. So yun yung paboritong part daw ni Philip, yung may hawak si Barbie ng wag maingay. Ayan, napakakit na si Barbie. At holding hands sila ni David. At yan ang still holding hands. O, diba? I so love it. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!